Hi! In front of me is TECNO CAMON 18 and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off adaptive brightness on this device. Firstly, open Settings. Then click on Display and Brightness. Click on this switcher next to Adaptive Brightness and wait. As you can see, Adaptive Brightness is now enabled, but you can always disable it by clicking on the same No Blue switcher. You can always go into Tab menu instead and click on Adaptive Brightness shortcut to turn it on or off. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!